Hey, Swati here. Welcome back. You've got values and you've got collections. Now, let's make your code actually do something with them. Decide and repeat. That's control flow. Module 4. Two ideas run almost every program. Making a choice. Do this or do that. And repeating, do this for every item. Get these two and you can write real logic. 3 things. You'll branch with if, if, and else. You'll repeat with for and while. And I'll give you a first taste of Comprehensions, Python's slick way to build a list. First, choices. If the score is 90 or above, it's an A. Else, if it's 80 or above, a B. Otherwise, a C. Python checks each condition top to bottom and runs the first one that's true. Notice, the indentation is what groups the code. In Python, spacing is part of the syntax. Now, repeating. A for loop walks through a collection, one item at a time. For each name in names, say hello, simple, readable, and you never touch an index.
Pro tip from me, Ryan. Coming from other languages, you might reach for a counter and an index. In Python, just loop the items directly. It's cleaner and it's the done thing.
Here's that taste of Comprehensions. This loop builds a new list by doubling each number. Python lets you say the same thing in one line. For each number, double it. Same result, way less noise. And if the order ever feels alien, just think SQL, select, from where. We'll go deep on these later. Let's watch it run. We start with numbers 1, 2, 3, and an empty out. First pass, we add 2. Then 4, then 6. And out has filled up 2, 4, 6. That's a loop building a result step by step. Sarah here. Real code. This keeps only the even numbers. For each number in nums, keep it if it divides evenly by 2. A loop and a condition folded into one clean line. Once you can read this, comprehensions stop being scary. And that's control flow. You can branch, you can loop, and you've seen your first comprehension. Next time, functions where you package logic to reuse it. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.